Professional, premium aftermarket replacement. Provides the performance and dependability you expect from ACDelco. Manufactured to meet expectations for fit, form, and function. An ACDelco Professional, premium aftermarket door jamb switch is the high-quality replacement ideal for many vehicles on the road today. It automatically turns your vehicle's interior lights on and off when you enter and exit your vehicle. This premium aftermarket replacement door jamb switch is manufactured to meet your expectations for fit, form, and function. Top reviews from the United States. Great find. After years of the dome light not coming on when you open the driver's door, it's fixed in less than 5 minutes. I read several reviews that said not so good things about this switch. I am here to tell you that if you own an older model truck, this switch will fix your problem. All I can say is works great, lasts long time.